Hello, and welcome to this short Qigong exercise called the Bear Swims. Start with your feet firmly grounded and feel the connection to the earth. Now wave your arms up to ground your energy. Then bring your hands up and turn your palms towards the sky. Now move them forward, turn around, scoop from behind and bring them back to the front. Turn, scoop, and thrust forward. Repeat this about 8 times. The bear movement are among my favorite in Qigong. This one is very good for opening the shoulders, upper back, and chest. It is a wonderful exercise for warming up or in between activities, and is well suited for your coffee or tea break. Now with the breath, bring your hands forward as you breathe out. As you breathe in, bring your hands around in a scooping motion. Breathe out and let your hands come forward again. Breathe in and breathe out. In, out. Now reverse the movement. Bring your hands towards your chest, extend them out, and bring them forward. And now spiral the hands in, then outwards and forward with the back of your hands facing each other. Let your elbows guide this movement. Let's repeat this a few more times. And make sure you keep your body relaxed. Good. Now with your breath, exhale as you turn your hands out and bring the back of your hands towards each other. Inhale, spiral in, bring them towards your chest. Exhale, inhale, and breathe out. The more familiar you become with the movement, the more you can engage your whole body or discover for yourself which are the parts of your body you would like to involve, just as you would when you are swimming. Wonderful. Again, in the other direction. We'll repeat this 8 times. And reverse the movement for about 8 times. Great. Let's close the way we started by regulating our breath with an energy shower. Thank you for being here. See you next time.